Thanks for your interest in HMAR's Field Support and Outreach Program, or our FSO program. Our FSO program is by far our largest program, and volunteers within this program will participate in assessing our protected marine species and engaging with the public to create community support and rally stewardship around the animals that we work with. When public reports of Hawaiian monk seals on beaches come into our hotlines, an FSO volunteer is dispatched to the site to do a number of different tasks. You may be asked to set up an SRA or seal resting area, and you'll be conducting education and outreach to the public that gathers around the monk seal to help encourage responsible viewing and other stewardship behaviors. Educating the public about the threats to Hawaiian monk seals is what will help recover their populations. During Hawaiian monk seal pupping season, FSO volunteers will help participate in monitoring the development of Hawaiian monk seal pups through gathering valuable data and documenting behaviors. Responding to Hawaiian monk seal haulouts is one of the most common activities that FSO volunteers participate in. And the education and outreach that you conduct to the public at haulout sites is a key component to gathering community support for endangered species from now and into the future. FSO volunteers will conduct valuable outreach to the public, both residents and tourists, to foster curiosity and responsible viewing of Hawaii sea turtle species. You may be asked to gather valuable documentation, such as observations and photo documentation, and share them with HMAR staff so that we can gather insight on an individual sea turtle. Additionally, you may be asked to help survey for sea turtle nesting sites and monitor nesting sites that are already known to HMAR. This helps preserve the new emerging hatchlings that can help recover the population. FSO volunteers will be asked to participate in seabird monitoring efforts, such as the Laysan albatross colony near Turtle Bay Resort that is growing and has chicks annually. Seabird monitoring efforts require taking careful observations, taking photographs of the development of the chick, and noting any unusual behaviors that will help shed insight on the development of the animal. We also may ask you to participate in wedge-tail shearwater monitoring and survey efforts, especially as we continue to adopt new colony sites throughout the island to help preserve seabird species on Oahu. Lastly, FSO volunteers may be asked to participate in directed surveys to locate and identify animals of concern, such as potentially stranded dolphins, hooked or entangled monk seals, and other animals that we may have gotten concerning reports about. Hawaii's marine protected species face a number of human-caused impacts and threats that are hurting their chances of survival. As an FSO volunteer, you will gain valuable experience and skills to help contribute to preserving these populations and keeping the healthy ocean ecosystem that we all cherish here in Hawaii. We ask that FSO volunteers enjoy talking with others, are able to handle long shifts in the field and walk up to 2 miles, have a camera with zoom and in-field photo transfer capabilities, and can commit to signing up for 2 shifts per month. Apply today on our website to help join the team and further our mission of preserving Hawaii's marine protected species populations.